2003 Ford Expedition. We're going to clean out the sunroof drains. Sometimes these drains get clogged up and they back up and they can start leaking water in your headliner or down here in the floorboard. Basically what happens is you get trash and leaves and stuff built up in here and it stops up the drains. So basically what you got to do on the driver's side, you have to remove this panel, which you have 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to take this out, move it out of your way. Then you need to pull back on this to move this out of your way. Then what I did, if you go down here and look, I removed the ground, and there's 3 8mm bolts. That includes the ground, where you can push this back, and this little thing right here pops out, and then your sunroof drain is right here. Basically what I'm going to do is get compressed air, stick it right here, let it come back out the top up here. I'm going to cover this up where it will not get in the interior. So on the passenger side is a little bit more difficult, I would say. You're in the same process. You're removing this panel, but then you have the BCM in the way. So I took the 11mm bolt out, pressed it over where I could get my hand in here and pull it out. The sunroof drain right here, and I'll do the same to this side where we can clean out the drains. Also, these sunroof drains have little holes. They have to go back in. You just can't lay them in there, because if you do, they will flood the floorboard. So thank y'all. Subscribe and like.